Yeah, this will be my last one. Let's gather around the campfire and sing a campfire song.
RCAMPFIRESONG song.
That's what I'm saying. Dude, we're the next Blink 182. Call us Blink 183. We might be Wink 183.
Twink 182.
There you go.
There you go.
So, fun fact about my life, there is a gay man named Tyrone that is obsessed with me. And I am his favorite twink, even though I am not a twink. It bothers me. Skip.
Skip. Tyrone, huh?
He's offered me a lot of money for a lot of different things,
Okay.
including, but not limited to, just looking at it, holding it for 5 to a minute, 5 seconds to a minute.
What the absolute fuck am I hearing?
Uh-huh. Finishing in a cup for 50. If he got to watch,
What?
75. My roommate did it. Apparently a couple times, because he straight up told me it was supposed to be a secret between him and my roommate. That's why nothing ever happened, or I never took money or anything, because I knew he couldn't keep a secret. Because he told me everything Gage did. Oh, shit.
Oh, you just leaked. Okay.
Leaked everybody. Let's go. Anyways, I don't fucking care. Yeah. And I'm like, nah, I'm cool. Supposedly he drank it though, right in front of him. I'm like, no, that's just wrong. But he would ask all kinds of stuff, right? Even when McKenna was sitting right there, right? He just would not care.
That's kind of odd, but I got a question.
Hey, what's up?
How does one meet Tyrone? No specific reason.
I can give you his Snapchat.
No.
He likes to party.
Dude.
He takes coke, ecstasy, MDMA. That man's on fucking everything. He goes to a lot of
Jesus.
bars. He makes decent money. I'm probably willing to bet he makes 6 figures, or at least close to it.
Damn.
Has a nice Cadillac. Don't get me wrong. The only I've talked to McKenna and them about it. Like, he's a really nice guy. The only reason I don't hang out with him is for the fact that it just feels super predatory almost. Like, I've
How
hung
old
out
is
with
he?
him, fuck, 30 something, older. Gage knew him. Used to invite him over to our dorm room. Then he met me, and then we all went to parties and shit. And he would just be there, and we just all he's a cool guy. Like, he's super chill to talk about because he likes sports and shit. He likes to
Dead
talk about the Reds,
152.
soccer and shit. Nice PB, or tied with it.
Mhm.
But then, I've hung out with him one on one, and he's gotten really close to me, rubbed his hand on my leg and up my thigh, and I'm like, nope, I'm up and leaving.
Damn.
He knew I had to, the one time I've been over there, he knew I had to leave, and he tried to get me to smoke, try a pill, and then he wanted me to drink harder alcohol. I'm like, nope, 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 no, nope, 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 nope.
Yeah, it's kind of weird behavior right there.
Yep, 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 yep,
Did he
yep,
keep
yep.
insisting on it?
Nah, he wasn't very pushy about it, but he
Okay.
would just suggest it every once in a while.
I
I'm
picked up
like,
a
nah,
rock
good.
instead of a stick.
I don't think he ever had bad intentions about it, but I'm cool. He did not, he just knew all of us that we like to party. And Gage only
Yeah.
went over there for, coke and stuff, so. Most of the time, at least that's what he told us. But, I don't know. Fun fact.
We're
With
learning a
Willard.
lot.
Oh, shit. You never know. Open book over here. Dude, my
I
bounces
would
are
hit a
just
rock as
awful.
soon as I start going down the hill. Damn, this actually would have been a really good run if that tree
I
didn't
keep
get in the
hitting
way.
every tree! Yeah, you can stop fucking screaming in my ears right the hell now. Just give me the ramp. Oh, come on, please. What is this? That was cool.
In mansion.
Not too far behind you.
Getting through door took me a second.
Mansion.
Oh, there's two.
Don't tell me that.
I got that past the first one. I thought I was free, and then another one came.
You can fuck off and leave me right the hell alone.
I got through second slide tunnel. Crouch slide tunnel.
And I got awfully far behind you. I'm about to hit the first crouch slide.
I'm in lava. There was none down normal path for me.
Please leave me alone. Please leave me alone. I heard you swing and miss.
That lag there was bad. Ah! Dude, you're such a dickhead. Why would you do that? This slide is so bad. Oh, got better. It's a swing and a miss. One, two. I got this one slide. And then it
Yeah.
bounced me into the lava.
Nice.
Please get away from me.
I don't know which one's chasing me and which one's so fucking close to my ass, but it can just fuck right off.
734.
Wow. I didn't die this time.
Good shit.
We're still looking at about our 8 time again. That's about, every time you say 734, I'm about in the same spot. There are monsters all over down there. Oh my god, I got into the exit. Dude, holy shit.
That shit is scary.
I think there's a whole minute behind you, so I took about an 8:30 quick. It's wild. on my boy besides muting the clips and so they can't hear me. And now it's my fucking late ass time.
I can't hear. This game is so loud.
Did you post our clips with audio or no?